Y'all see that highlight popping? It's not nothing too much. Not too much, but excuse me. Hey boos, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel. This is your girl LaCar Renee, and I'm bringing you Easter vibes here, y'all. Easter vibes. You know, with the space buns going on, I'm looking like a real Easter bunny around here. Okay? Okay. Trying to bounce on my man wherever he at. But anyway, yes, I enjoyed doing this look. This look was very easy to do. It's simple. Even you can do it, you know what I mean? So yeah, I got purple brows, and I went on ahead and added my little jumbo earrings to the mix and popped those suckers on. And yeah, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned, keep watching this video and all that, and see how I got this look. Okay, boots. Don't. So I'm going to start off by brushing up my brows with a spoolie, of course, getting ready to add this product on there. Got to make sure them hairs are intact. And I'm going to take a flat brush, and I'm going to use a flat eyebrow brush. And I'm going to take my liquid lipstick, Ruby Kisses and Orchid Heart, and I'm going to start using that for my brows. I want it to be different. I wanted purple brows. So I'm just underlining and outlining the top and bottom. And I'm going to go in with the remaining product, and I'm going to fill it in. Now y'all know how I like my brows. I like, you know, those hairs in the front to make it look realistic, because y'all know I'm a little extra. Okay, I'm extra as hell. So yeah, I'm just, you know, making a couple little realistic hairs right there, you know what I'm saying? Get it nice, get it tight, and get it right, okay? Because my eyebrows got to be popping when I step out here. So I'm just filling in my brows, y'all know, the same routine. And I'm going to take my, what is it, Hard Candy Camouflage Concealer. And I'm just going to use that to clean up my brows, of course, as always. And I'm going to use a flat brush as well. And we're just going to clean them brows up, because the way they're looking right now, we can't go out like that. Real Life Women Productions. So I went and placed concealer all over my lid, and I'm just taking that light, well, shit, y'all. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just taking the first color, and I'm going to pop that right into my crease. And I'm going to use that as a transition shade, because we're not doing a cut crease, y'all. We're not doing a cut crease today. Just something simple, something cute. And I'm going to take that other purple shade. Look, it's so many purple shades. I don't know. Look, lilac, whatever, violet. Look, I don't know. Okay, all I know is it's all in the purple family. Anyway, it's darker than the transition, so I'm just going to pop that on the outer V, and I'm going to blend that into my crease just a little bit. And yeah, so this look is so simple to do, y'all can do this look. Okay, so now that I got them colors blended out, I'm just going to go in with my e.l.f. concealer, and I'm going to place that all over my lid to get ready for my eyeshadow. Once you blend it all out, take the colors that you want to use. I'm going to start off with the light pink, and I'm going to use that as my first color. The next color is going to be a teal turquoise shade, and then I'm going to use the lavender shade right next to it. Make sure you're going in and you're blending out those colors, so you will not see any harsh lines or any lines of demarcation where the colors start and stop. Real Life Women Productions. So now I'm taking my first color, which was the transition shade that I laid down, and I'm going to add a little bit more to that crease right there, and I'm going to blend it upwards just a little bit. Now I'm using my favorite liquid liner, and that's Elf. And we gonna do a wing liner, y'all. I live for my wing liner. I live for it. I love it. So yeah, we just gonna wing it out, y'all. Y'all know how I do. Y'all know how extra I am. I don't know why y'all act like y'all know, okay?
Real Life Women Productions.
So now I'm going to take them 25mm lashes that I got off at AliExpress. I'm going to place them on my eyeballs. Okay? And I know y'all see like right in the corner, in the inner corner of my eyes is watering up. I don't know how that happened, but you know, it is what it is, honey. So we going to make sure that other lash is on there good, you know. Kind of gave me some hell, but you know, we managed to get it together. So I'm gonna add my foundation, and I'm using Elf in the color Maple. And yeah, just when you thought you was adding your foundation on your face, and then the shit falls on your white shirt. Yeah, super pissed. But the show must go on. So now, this foundation, you guys, I wanted to say a little bit about this foundation. This is not a full coverage foundation. I know that it seems a tad too light on the camera, but we made it work. I made it work for me. I don't like this foundation like that because it's not, you know, it's not really full coverage. You have to build up so many layers to get it to be, you know, full coverage how you want it. You'll still see your imperfections peeking through the foundation. So I suggest you wear this foundation if you just, you know, want a simple natural look. You don't want to look like you have on any makeup. Out of 1 to 10, I give this foundation like a 7 because the coverage is, you know, it's not all the way there. I have to build it up. And on top of that, you know, the shade range, I don't know, like they need to do a little better with that. But as far as the foundation looks on your skin, it looks like skin. It looks really good. So moving right along, I'm just going to use my Elf camouflage concealer, and I'm just going to place that everywhere where I highlight it. And I'm going to take the black opal and I'm going to contour as well, and I'm going to go in with my Real Techniques brush, and we're going to blend that all out.
Real Life Women Productions. Real Life Women Productions.
told y'all, me and this J-Cat got a love-hate relationship. I mean, one minute I like it and the next minute I don't. So I decided to use it again today. To set underneath my eyes, I wanted like a, you know, a yellow undertone with my highlight. So yeah, I'm just going to set that underneath my eyes and I'm going to bake. And I'm using a flat foundation brush. I could not find my beauty blender. I don't know where it ran off to, but you know, this was the next best thing. So y'all know I like to take those two shades in the matte book palette and I like to use them for a contour. It's just, oh man, y'all, I cannot stress this enough how pigmented those colors are. Girl, I love this palette. I love you, Super. You, girl, thank you. She is the fucking GOAT. You hear me? So yeah, I'm just gonna contour and bronze up my face. Well, I'm gonna set my contour and bronze up my face. And I'm just gonna sharpen up the contour with that Coty Airspun powder. And I'm just gonna wipe off all that excess powder with a powder brush.
Real Life Women Productions.
Okay, so y'all know my little routine. I'm just using the white jumbo stick for my lower lash line. After, I'm going to take my Wet n Wild waterproof mascara and I'm just going to pop those on my bottom lashes, you know, because I don't have no bottom lashes as it is. But yeah, so I'm going to use this chunky glitter. I forgot where I got it from, but I'm going to use that for the inner corner highlight. Instead of using a shimmer shade, I wanted to use that glitter. I think it's so cute. And I'm just going to use my duo glue for that glitter to hold. I'm going to use the duo glue. I like using the duo glue because you know what? When you get ready and take your glitter off, honey, it just like rubs right off. Like you don't have to do anything. You can actually take your finger and rub it right off. I mean, it doesn't come off easily. Like say if you're out and about, your glitter is just not going to come off. But once you get ready to take it off, honey, it's just so easy. Like it's nothing. So I'm going to go to my Galaxy Chick palette and I'm going to take those lavender shades. I think it was either Cosmic or Milky Way that I highlighted with. I'm going to leave it down in the description box below. But yes, I took those colors and I highlighted. Just something simple, you know, no drastic highlight today. Not for me, not today. And I'm just going to highlight my eyebrow, my brow bone. Yes. Y'all see that? Y'all see that liner? Ooh, that cat eye is something sickening. So anyway, the lip that I used was, I think it was Nicka K, New York. Oh, Absolute New York, y'all. I may be lying, y'all. So it's the lavender color, and the color on the bottom is 18, the number. Yeah, so I'll use that, and I wanted to go for like a glossy look, so I just took my Wet n Wild Mega Last lip gloss, and I used that. I'm running out of that, so I had to go in with something else. I went into my Hidden Kisses lip gloss, and it's so cute. They actually sent me this lip gloss to post on my Instagram, and I like it. So anyway, y'all, this is like the end of the look, y'all. If y'all like this look, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. You know, got my little space buns right up in there, you feel me? But anyway, thank y'all so much for watching my video. I really appreciate y'all. I love y'all. Bye.